In the previous lessons, we've prepared content for their dashboard, and now I am going to improve its design. First of all, I would like to highlight the area charts and the funnel by different colors because they show different performance. Let's change the main theme. Go to View tab and select the City Park. It's more restrained and classic. Change funnel next. There is a data color panel, Show All. I'd like to highlight contract by red as the result, offer orange, presentation yellow, leads green, and company list gray. I'd like to highlight the same data by the same color. So repeat colors which are used on funnel for other charts. Histogram shows contracts, so make it red too. We have to improve titles because they will change automatically when we switch the main theme. It's better to make font color black. And also we should hide slicer title. It's necessary. As you see, when we click on Manager's Names funnel change automatically. However, it doesn't look like really informative because every manager part is compared with others. We can see a difference between 17 and 31% clearly. Select the histogram with contracts, go to Format tab, edit interactions and choose Filter on the funnel. Now we can see funnel of every salesperson's results without comparison. So we finished creation of our first dashboard. In the next video, I will tell you a story based on the visualized information.